Hello and welcome to NCBA's Cattleman to Cattleman. I'm Kevin Ochsner. Thanks for joining us. In our news this week, members of the National Cattlemen's Beef Association met recently in Denver for the Cattle Industry Summer Conference. One of the topics of concern was the impact of Environmental Protection Agency regulations, as well as the EPA's improper release of producers' personal information 2 separate times earlier this year. We asked some of the leaders attending the conference for comment on the EPA and the issue of regulatory overreach.
It's absolutely incredible that the EPA could release private, confidential, personal identification information to special interest groups. Not only once, but then turn around and do it again after everybody knew they blew it big time when they did it the first time. We've held hearings with the EPA asking them why it happened, what accountability measures are being put in place to prevent it from ever happening again. It's simply unacceptable. We'll continue to hold their feet to the fire. I don't think it's an accident that it happened twice. That's why we got to get to the bottom of it.
We're really concerned about the Environmental Protection Agency. Again, I want to reiterate that we all want clean water, clean land, clean air, and safe products. But sometimes people, either through misguidance or overzealousness, have come in and started imposing really horrendous regulations on farmers. We've battled dust, where they want to regulate dust coming off of a farm. Something that it's really difficult to even manage, and yet we find ourselves being squoze in the vice. Now, in the last year, we've had an issue with the Environmental Protection Agency gathering data on producers. And Homeland Security warned them, don't do this. Well, under the Freedom of Information Act, they felt like they had to then divulge that information to some extreme environmental groups who now have the names and addresses and phone numbers and GPS coordinates, locations of producers across this country. We challenged them on that, and they stepped back and said, you're right, we were wrong. They were very kind. They went to the groups and said, please give us the information back. Well, that does not ensure that they haven't made copies of that. And you know, Homeland Security warned them this could be a terrorist act. And you're feeding the information. So here on the one hand, you have the government asking for information, which you give. And then they turn around and hand it to an organization, to some organizations that may come in and cause you harm. And we've seen some of that happen in this country with some organizations. So that is a concern. How do you keep them on task, making sure that the land and the water and the air are clean and taken care of without them getting overboard? And so, yes, we continue to battle that, we continue to watch that, we continue to monitor it. It's extremely important.
Join NCBA as they defend our industry from EPA overreach and help address other major issues in Washington, D.C. Find out more at cattlemantocattleman.org.